Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Quartz. My name is Jan, and today I am excited to share this with you. What is this that I'm talking about? Wize Monkey is the company. It is coffee leaf tea. Yeah, coffee leaf tea. It's amazing. So what I have is 15 days of wisdom. Discover the coffee plant's best kept secret and feel better each and every day. So this here is a sample package to allow you to taste their teas. Let's open it up. Oh. Isn't that exciting? It smells wonderful. So coffee leaf tea actually takes the leaves of the coffee plant and makes tea out of them. What we have here today is 4 different types of tea. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different types of tea, 3 packages of each, and they say that you can steep them multiple times. They actually included a little handwritten thank you, which is always fun to find in the package. It says, we hope you enjoy our coffee leaf tea. You can steep like regular tea and re-steep up to 3 times. Cheers. Love that. So what we have is the original, the real deal straight up. Our coffee leaf tea is the base for all of our teas and has a similar process of black tea. It's oxidized and lightly fermented for an earthy yet sweet round flavor and a clean aftertaste. Then we have the Jasmine, Mango Party, and Minty Marvel, and I'm so excited they have Earl Grey. So I adore Earl Grey tea. It's one of my favorites and I'm excited that they have it. I cannot believe that this is a thing. What I understand from coffee farms, I'm typically more of a tea person, but what I understand with coffee is that they harvest the coffee bean and then it's a seasonal job. So by this Canadian company, Wize Monkey, creating this product, they're able to allow seasonal workers to have more jobs throughout the year, which is great. So it's from Nicaragua. Let's take a look at this one. And this is the original award-winning tasty teas. Steep as long as you want and add hot water for more cups. They say you should use 95 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Fahrenheit water, and it's an ultra smooth taste, never gets bitter, and no sugar needed. Actually won Best New Product from the World Tea Awards. Let's see. Oh. So they've used a mesh pyramid bag, a little string, and then their cute little branding, Wize Monkey Original. It's definitely an earthy scent. I wouldn't say it smells like coffee, but I wouldn't say it smells like tea either. It reminds me of like a wonderful walk in the forest. I hope it tastes like that. So we're gonna give this one a try. This is amazing. All right, so it says steep as long as you want and add hot water for more cups. So it doesn't say how long to steep. Tell the color is changing. It's becoming an amber color. Much more pungent now. Still that woodsy scent. I don't get the coffee, but I also don't get tea. It's something that I've never smelled before. It's not a bad smell. The pyramid bag now, the leaves appear to really have expanded. Let's have ourselves a little taste. Still very hot. It, I would say, has a light, smooth, woodsy taste to it. It's very nice. I would definitely drink this. It says that it is low in caffeine. Very nice. Let's open up another one. Now we have Jasmine. Woo! That is definitely jasmine smelling. I am not a huge jasmine tea drinker. All right, so let's try out this jasmine. Probably not the best one to try this, as like I said, typically do not enjoy jasmine. Very floral, very, very floral. So if you are somebody that enjoys flowers and the taste of that, I've actually started liking them a little bit more. I've been enjoying lavender and some rose petals, and yeah, so, you know, maybe in a year's time I'm gonna love jasmine, and who knows, I'm gonna taste this once we let it steep for a bit. Again, those leaves are really expanding. That's very interesting. Now the jasmine is starting to settle down a bit, and you can actually smell a bit of what I now know is the coffee leaves. Still very strong jasmine. Oh, it's actually delightful. Very smooth. Now this is interesting. They say jasmine, traditionally blended with green teas, is a light and floral flavor that coincidentally smells exactly like the flowers of coffee plants. I didn't know that. 2 down, 3 to go. Up next, mango. Actually, mango party. It's a mango party in your mouth. Ooh, very strong smell of mango. Now mango, whew, mango I do love. Typically, again, not in my teas, but we're gonna see how this one goes. It's a nice light mango scent. And again, so quick for the color change. That is very nice. I could see how this would be delightful as an iced tea. Now what I have noticed is that their little tags are all the same. I thought that they would be matching the color of the package, but they don't, and that's quite all right. Okay, up next, Minty Merble. Ooh. Ooh, I really enjoy peppermint. This is like cleaning my nostrils right out. The mint flavor has calmed down, and you can definitely smell those coffee leaves now. Very nice. The mint is not overpowering. They actually mention in here that it has a really good mouthfeel, and I would definitely say that. Like it feels wonderful. So far, my favorite. Last one, and likely my favorite, Earl Grey. Oh. Got it all. Ooh. Now, that is wonderful. It's not overpowering. It smells wonderful. I would definitely drink this one again. I'd actually drink them all. It's very nice. You get a light bergamot flavor. It's not sweet, it's not bitter, it's very smooth. I would say the Earl Grey was my favorite, closely followed by Minty Marvel. The original was great. I could see these two, especially the Mango Party, as an iced tea. Jasmine, I actually might get used to as my taste buds change as I get older. So for this 15-day trial pack, I only paid $11.99 for it, and that included shipping. That is US dollars. I think that's a great deal. Definitely something new to try. They have a lot more flavors online. It's Wize Monkey, and it's Wize with a Z. Definitely check them out. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I would love to try to answer them for you. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would be great. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, take care. Yeah, this just gets better.